How are you today? Did you have breakfast already? Yes, you did? Or no, you didn't? Did you get your materials ready before class? Yes, you did? Or no, you didn't? Today, we are gonna do some interesting things. Let me tell you, today we will learn a new topic. Today, we will learn a new topic. We are going to practice previous topics. We're going to practice previous topics. I love TikToks, but we don't have time for TikToks today. I will be asking you, and during the class, I will be asking you some questions. Please answer in English. You will be listening carefully. Okay, let's start. Today we'll start reviewing pronouns. Do you remember in class we learned pronouns? I remember. Yes, I do. Pronouns, we said, are words that replace the nouns, and nouns are the names of person, place, thing, or animal. Okay? For example, let's write some pronouns. Ara, what is the pronoun for this person? If that's me, my pronoun is I. How about the pronoun for my students? You. Correct. How about Santi? He. Carmelita? She. A pencil? It. The class, you and I. The class, we. It's we. And those boys over there, they. Okay, we got our pronouns. Those are the pronouns. Now that we have the pronouns there on the board, I'm going to erase the nouns because we're not going to work with nouns, okay? We just need the pronouns. Pronouns are words that replace the nouns. Okay, pronouns. Do you remember how we use pronouns in sentences? Good. We use these pronouns in the subject. That's why these are called subject pronouns because they go in the subject. Let me write it here. Subject pronouns because we use them in the subject in the sentences. Okay? Today's topic, let me tell you, is object pronouns. What? Object pronouns. Let's see what that is about. Okay, on page 101, we have a chart like this one, and what it says is it gives you a list of subject pronouns and a list of object pronouns. Remember, it is very important that you remember subject pronouns, we use them in the subject subject. Object pronouns, we use them in the predicate. Okay? So, in the example that the book gives us, it says, Dad takes the kids to school. The first thing we are going to do is divide our sentence into subject and predicate. Dad takes the kids to school. Who are we talking about? Dad. That is our subject. And takes the kids to school is our predicate. Okay, are we gonna use subject pronouns? No, we don't need subject pronouns. Subject is okay, so no, sorry. We are not using subject pronouns. We're using object pronouns, the ones in the predicate. Now, look at the words in bold. Bold means black, very, very black. Okay? The kids. Which object pronoun talks about two, three more kids? Me? You? Her? A girl? Him? A boy? It? A thing? Us? You and I? Or the them? Them. So, what you would do is get the correct object pronoun for the kids. Them. Them. Okay, for example number 2 from the book, let's read it. Have you seen Lucy? Now, the word that we're gonna replace is Lucy because it's bold. It's very, very black. It's black. Lucy. Are we gonna use subject pronouns? No, we're not using subject pronouns because this is not the subject of the sentence. Now, are we using object pronouns? Yes, we are. Which object pronoun corresponds to Lucy? Lucy, by the way, is a girl. Lucy is a girl. Me? You. Is it her? Or is it him? It? We? They? Which one? If it is a girl, it is her. So we would replace Lucy and write her. Have you seen her? We're talking about a girl, okay? Good job. Let's now answer the activity in the book. Okay, for this activity, what you have to do is rewrite the sentences using object pronouns for the words in bold. Like I said before, bold means black, very, very black. So you will copy everything in the sentence, but when you come to the words in bold, you need to change those words to the corresponding object pronoun, and for that you can look at the chart. Okay, I'm gonna show you some examples so you can check if your answers are correct. Okay, you see what we did here is we circled the words in bold, and then down in blue we copied the sentence using an object pronoun, and I made a little arrow so you could see the change. Okay, excellent. Now we can go to the next page, which is 102. Ready? There you need to do the same thing. Analyze the information and choose. Look at the chart in the previous page to identify the object pronouns, and you circle only object pronouns, okay? Do it. You see, that was super easy. All we have to do is read carefully, look at the information chart, and follow instructions. Think up a little bit before writing the answers, but you did it. Well, that was it. That is today's class. That was it. I'm gonna leave here a surprise. Remember the other class I showed you our art gallery? Well, today we have more surprises. Bye bye. See you next class.
When I popped off, then you go gave me